Welcome to the world of Camtasia AI, where technology meets creativity to transform your video editing experience. Let's dive into the Camtasia interface, a user-friendly platform designed to streamline your video creation process. Enhance your videos with a variety of audio effects, adding depth and clarity to your soundtracks. Choose the perfect audio effect to match your video's mood and tone, ensuring a captivating auditory experience. With just a few clicks, apply your chosen audio effects seamlessly, elevating your video's sound quality. Watch as the effects are applied, transforming your audio tracks into professional-grade soundscapes. Effortlessly remove unwanted noise from your recordings, ensuring crystal-clear audio for your audience. Fine-tune your audio settings to achieve the perfect balance, making your video sound as good as it looks. Captions are a powerful tool for accessibility and engagement. Explore the various options available to enhance your video. Select and customize captions to suit your content, making your videos more inclusive and informative. Integrate captions seamlessly into your video, ensuring your message is clear and accessible to all viewers. Adjust caption settings to fit your style and format, creating a cohesive viewing experience. Combine various applications and integrations to create a dynamic and interactive video experience. Enhance your video with integrations that add functionality and flair, captivating your audience. As you finalize your video masterpiece, ensure every element is perfectly aligned to deliver a compelling narrative. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.